Welcome back to our channel, guys, and in today's video I'm going to take you through our journey of Emirates cable car, which started from Royal Victoria on DLR station and ended at North Greenwich. Some of the real spectacular views of London O2 Arena and also beautiful skyline right from the cable car. We just got off at Royal Victoria. As you can see, the Emirates Airlines is advertised everywhere. They're quite popular in London. And you can see the cable car right from the Royal Victoria station. See that in the distance. Yeah, do you see the cable car? Yay! See? There's so many. You like it? This is the Emirates Royal Docks, and you can see the cable cars coming from here. Look! This is the beauty of London. Nature and technology together. You can see the water sports from distance there. Hey Rihan! Rihan, you ready? Look at that! So this cabin is ready to go. Look at the big motor underneath. That is what pulls the cable. See the mechanism underneath. And here we board the cable car. Yay! That is coming in. Where a lot of concerts takes place. And that's beautiful skyline of London, the famous Canary Wharf. You can also see O2 and Thames River around it. What else do you see, Rihan?
What
You see the cranes? What else do you see, Rihan? Duck? What is that?
It lands on the water.
Yeah. What else do you see?
I see a bus.
You see a bus?
Yeah.
Yay! Look here, it goes down. Yay! You can see the beauty of Thames River from here.
What's the bus?
It's really very wide, really beautiful. It goes through the central London, and soon you can see a boat rapidly coming towards us. Wow, we are in the tallest part of this cable car, and from here everything goes slow. A lot of boats and yachts are parked here in this dock, and our today's journey ends here.